Come on in and sit down, guys. Wonderful. How exciting to see so many wonderful faces here. So today we're going to talk about how Jesus multiplies. Jesus multiplies. Jesus did some really amazing things when he was here on earth. And one of the amazing things that he did was he took a little boy's lunch and he used it to feed over 5,000 people. That's a lot of people, isn't it? So we're going to teach you about multiplying. So how many corners does this paper have? Does anybody know?
4.
Let's count them together. 4. Very good. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, so what happens if I want to give one of these corners to somebody? Okay, I'm going to cut a corner off. And I'm going to give that to Pastor John. Here's you a corner, Pastor John.
Thank you.
There's you a corner.
Max?
Now, what happened?
We're seeing the floor.
Do we still have 4 corners? We took one away. You think we have 3 corners? Let's count the corners. Have a seat, Grayson. We have 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners, 4 corners, 5 corners. There's now 5 corners. How did that happen? What if we want to give another one away? What do you think? What do you think's going to happen? We're going to cut one more corner off, and we're going to give that to Miss Sherry. There you go, Miss Sherry. There's you a corner. So what happened? It multiplied again, didn't it? Jesus does the same thing with the gifts that we give to him. He multiplies it, and he takes it and he uses it for good. So if we did it again, what would happen? We would get even more corners, wouldn't we? Xander, I'm going to give you that corner. Let's count how many corners we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 corners. And one more time. Let's do it just one more. Oh, and Xander's 14, 15, 16 corners. So let's do it one last time. And we're going to give this one right over here. So if we count all of their corners and all of our corners, we multiplied 4 corners into a whole bunch of corners, didn't we? And that's what Jesus does. He took that little boy's lunch, which was just a few loaves and a few little fishes, and he fed 5,000 people with it. And he does the same thing with us. He can take what we have and he blesses others with it. And so that's why we give to Jesus, is because he can take what we have, what little bit we have, and he can multiply it and help lots and lots of people. So let's say a really quick prayer, and then we're going to go right out here in the hallway, okay? Everybody bow your heads. Ready? Bow your heads. Thank you, Grayson. Father, thank you for providing us our needs and teaching us to trust you. Amen.